Assalamu alaikum, here Risha Siddiqui, lecture number 5. Today's topic is business models. There are three types of business models: private label, wholesale, drop shipping. Private label. Private label is an Amazon business model. In this model, seller make its own brand, not sell for others' brand. He make its own brand. Wholesale. A brand is already exist in market. You like its brand product, then you get permission to sell its brand, then you fulfill its all requirements as well. Then you do me to listing of its product is called wholesale. Dropshipping is a process of selling a product without the responsibility of carrying inventory or shipping the goods. The product manufacturer is responsible for manufacturing the product, maintaining inventory, and shipping the goods to the customer. Allah Hafiz, remember in your prayers.